Welcome to the Whispering Canopy, where every vine tells a story and every creature dreams of adventure. Bet you can't catch me! Woohoo! Go, Miko, go! I apologize for my tardiness, elders, but I bring urgent news from the edge of the forest. The humans are approaching the river. The ancient map reveals the challenge. Beyond the mist-shrouded cliffs lies the glowing mango. The challenge is set. This glowing gift awaits the one who reaches the highest peak. In the heart of the jungle, young Miko dreamed of adventure. As Miko swung higher than any before him, the village watched, knowing that even the small... With a heart full of pride, Miko showed the village what dreams...
The view from the top is lonely indeed. Foolish pride.
Hold on, I've got you!
With the jungle safe again, it was time to find the others. Their adventure was far from over.
Do not worry, Pequeño. The jungle provides enough for everyone. Just be honest next time. Impatience leads to trouble, little one. True strength is knowing when to wait. You did it, Tara. You really are the strongest. I'm sorry I was so prideful. The harvest belongs to everyone.
Miko learned that true strength isn't just in how high you climb, but how gently you land.
True courage is found not in...
నిజమైన బలం శరీరంలో మాత్రమే కాదు, హృదయం యొక్క దయలో ఉంది.
The end.